खुलुमबाय बे समाव आं दंफैयो क'क्राझाराव थानाय बड'फा कालचारेल कमप्लेक्सआव जेराव 21 नभेम्बरनिफ्राय खुंफुंजागासिनो मैहुर थामथि मैहुर इन्टारनेशनेल थियेटार फेस्टिवल बे हाबाफारिखौ बानजायदों बिटिआर सिनेमा एन्ड थियेटार डिपार्टमेन्ट आरो लोगोसे लिरगि थियेटार ग्रुपआ आरो बेवहाय बे थियेटार इन्टारनेशनेल फेस्टिवलाव भारतनि अनगायैबो गुबुन गुबुन हादरनि जेरै इटालि लन्डन आरो गुबुन गुबुन हादरनि मानसिफोरा सुबुंफोरा बेवहाय बाहागो लाफैदों आरो बिथांमोननि जे थियेटारखौ दिन्थिफुंफैदों आरो बे समाव बिथांमोननि गोनां गोनां बाथ्राखौ नोंथांमोननो मिथिहोगोन So at first I would like to say you Khulumbai in our local Bodo language.
Khulumbai.
So how are you feeling here in Bodoland?
I feel very nice. I really like, I enjoying a lot being in this land. I am inspired of the dances, Bagurumba dance, and the music and the landscape is so beautiful. So I feel very happy to be here.
So what inspired you to take part in this theatre festival?
Well, I know Rubjoti who invited me here since many years. I'm coming to Assam to different festivals. So it's not the first time I'm here in Assam. And so he invited me to come again and I was like, yes, I was in Turkey actually and I came to the festival.
You are from?
I am from Uruguay, South America.
Achha.
I am traveling since 8 years. I don't live there.
Okay.
I'm traveling around the world.
Okay. So what message are you trying to spread through your play?
Well, my play, the name is Chicha, and I will perform it on 24th tomorrow.
Okay.
And it's about more about the woman because it's my solo show. I perform alone, so it's more about femininity, about relationship, about all women around the world, and all the similitudes that we have in all the women.
It's women best.
Yes.
Okay. So how are you feeling about the people, the hospitality here?
Here they are so kind, and yes, I feel like at home, like a big family. So yes, I'm very happy.
Is this your first visit here in Bodoland?
No, I came to Kokrajhar like 2 years back, also to perform in Luri theater. So it's my second time, but this time I stay more time. So I'm enjoying much more.
So what was the first thing that you, when you first arrived here in Kokrajhar, what was the first thing that caught in your eyes about here in Bodoland?
Well, I think the dances. I really enjoy the dances here. When I was coming from Guwahati, also who was driving, he was showing me some videos about Bagurumba. I said like, wow, I want to see that. And then I came here and I have seen every day the dances and I feel very connected with this dance. I came to Bihu also like 3 years back. I know that it's a little bit different, but it's the same sensation, no? So yes, I feel very connected.
Did you try any cuisine here?
Any
local
what?
cuisine? Local cuisine, yes.
Yes. How was the name? This rice thing, small.
Pita. Yes, pita.
Yes. This I really like.
And any local phrases or word you have learned here?
Khulumbai, Kashantang.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. And lastly, what will you like to say about this festival?
Very grateful to be here, and I hopefully will not be the last time. I know that will not be the last time. So I'm very happy to this land receive me again and again, and I feel very happy to be here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Kashankang.
Khulumbai. So where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
Okay. So what inspired you to take part or your team in this festival?
This team is very nice for me and the festival is very good. And my solo is my show, Popcorn Break, and I'm very happy for you invited me in the Assam.
You are presenting solo?
Yeah.
Okay.
My solo Popcorn Break.
And what theme is it your play is about?
Sorry, can you repeat?
On what theme or what message are you trying to spread through your play?
My play in the I'm non-verbal and I play with the audience and I'm juggling and I'm clown.
Okay. So, how are you feeling here in this Borderland, in our Borderland?
I'm.
When did you arrive here?
When do you? Sorry, when do you
Arrived here.
5 days.
In
19.
19.
5 days ago.
Okay. You tried here any local cuisine?
Yes, I like the local and I like the people here.
Okay. Lastly, what message? What will you like to say about this festival?
For me, this festival is very, very nice and sorry, but my English is very terrible.
No problem, same here. Okay, lastly, will you say something in Boro language?
language.
In our local language.
Kulumbai.
Kulumbai and Gazantan.
Dezentan.
Okay, thank you.
बहुत सारे लोग थे और पूरी लड़की टीम के सपोर्टर्स थे टीम थे तो आई थिंक लाइक दिस विल बी हिस्टोरिकल फॉर अस आई होप हमेशा मेमोरेबल रहने वाला है ये
लास्ट में आप इस फेस्टिवल के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे
लाइक जो मैं सोच कर आया था जो हमारी टीम सोच कर आई थी वैसा नहीं मिला हमें उससे बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतर मिला सो हमें लग रहा था कि कहीं क्योंकि कोकराझार से न्यू प्लेस मेरी टीम वालों ने तो नाम भी नहीं सुना था कोकराझार लाइक आई हैव लिसन्ड सम टाइम इन मीडिया और इन न्यूज़ बट मेरे लिए भी पहली यात्रा थी ये
आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे लोगों को कि बोडोलैंड में विजिट करना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए?
बिल्कुल विजिट करना चाहिए बोडोलैंड में इट्स ए न्यू प्लेस फॉर मी अब बहुत बेहतर जगह है बहुत बेहतर पार्क्स हैं और बहुत बेहतर झील और रिवर्स हैं यहाँ पर लोग बहुत प्यारे हैं सो मैं बिल्कुल चाहूँगा कि लोग यहाँ पर थिएटर के लिए आएँ लड़की थिएटर से मिलें थिएटर विलेज में वो लोग एक बार ज़रूर जाएँ विजिट करें कि किस तरीके से यहाँ लोग रह रहे हैं काम कर रहे हैं और सच में मतलब मैं हॉस्पिटलिटी का दीवाना हो गया और स्पेशली ये बोडोफा कल्चर सेंटर जो बना है स्पेशली दिस ओपन एयर थिएटर एंड दैट द प्रसोनियम थिएटर बहुत बहुत बेहतर मतलब हमारी दिल्ली में ही इतने बड़ा थिएटर नहीं है लाइक जितना बड़ा यहाँ पर है इट्स मोर देन 1000 पीपल कैन सिट ओवर देयर सो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस
ठीक है थैंक यू बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको
थैंक यू